Here with men's golf coach Kevin Landrum. Coach, coming off the St. John's Invitational last weekend, you head to Macalester this weekend for the Macalester Invitational, and then it's on to the conference championships. Talk a little bit about the performance up at St. John's.
Well, it's good to see Tim have a good round and a half. I think he would probably admit that he left a couple shots out there, but it was very tough conditions that they had to play in. We will not make any excuses. The weather, we need to be better in the weather and use that to our advantage, so we won't make any excuses. But it was good to see Tim play well in some windy conditions on Saturday and then wind and rain on Sunday.
Talk a little bit about, we've talked about this every week, the consistency that you need to perform to be able to make any type of a run in the MIAC. You see some signs of some very talented performances. Tim Wolford's 79 in that first day is obviously a very bright spot for you. Talk about the importance of that consistency and how you're going to hopefully be able to do that this weekend.
Well, we've had low rounds from Ethan Austin. I'm still waiting for DJ Borgen to have one of those low rounds in the 70s. Tim has now shown that he can do it. I'm just hoping we're saving it all and we can all put it together for that MIAC tournament. So hopefully this weekend we can get some confidence. We're taking 6 guys, so we are getting one more individual, having a chance to play some competitive golf. And then from those 6, we will pick our 5 that will be going to the conference tournament. So hopefully with those 6 going, and then that will flow right into the conference tournament, we can gain some confidence this weekend and then go from there.
And hopefully you can get some nice weather as well.
Yes, it's supposed to be nice, and it's even supposed to continue to be nice in the next week, so that'll be a nice change.
Up at Macalester, it's actually the meets in Chaska, but Macalester Invitational this weekend. Good luck.
Thank you.